A mirror is a guided reflection process that you run with ChatGPT. It is a structured conversation made up of questions and exercises revolving around a chosen theme. Each step of the process is designed to build on the one before, so that your thinking is not scattered but organized in a clear sequence. At the conclusion of the process, the mirror generates the reflection file. The reflection file is a structured document that contains your answers to the questions and exercises, as well as a preloaded prompt that tells ChatGPT what to do with that information. When you paste the reflection file back into ChatGPT, the system uses it as a framework to analyze your responses, highlight patterns, ask clarifying questions, and propose strategies for you based on the theme of the mirror. Reflecting on your own usually means writing notes or in a journal and trying to interpret them yourself. A mirror shifts this by letting ChatGPT handle the organization of your responses and by giving it instructions on how to act on them. The result is not just a record of your thoughts or insights, but a continuation of the reflection process into actionable strategy, as well as AI system reinforcement, because the reflection file can be pasted into ChatGPT again and again to track progress and analyze further. Each cycle adds depth. Every new reflection file, every time you run the same mirror, builds on the last. Over time, this produces a trackable record of how your insights, strategies, or patterns develop. For coaches, this allows you to monitor your clients' growth across multiple sessions. For individuals, it creates a structured history of personal reflection, creative exploration, or mindset work. Reading about a mirror can help you understand the concept, but running one shows you how it actually works in practice. You have the option now to try one of the mirrors in the mirror system. You can find the link in the module text down below. This demo will guide you through a short set of questions, a couple of exercises, and then compile a reflection file with your answers. This particular mirror is also a great example of how you can design your mirrors in Framer. This step is optional, but experiencing the process will give you a clear idea of what's possible and what you're going to build in this course. Take a moment before moving on. Ask yourself, what kinds of questions or exercises might actually help me uncover deeper clarity? Write one or two down, keep them nearby. They may become part of your first mirror design.